You can solve any long division problem as long as you use your strategies and take your time. The first strategy we use in class is our checklist, the order in which we do our operations. And to remember that, we remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? D for divide, M for multiply, S for subtract, C for check, and B for bring down. The other strategy that we use before we begin solving the problem is to list count bys of our divisor, the number that we're dividing by. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 12, times 4 is 16, times 5 is 20, times 6 is 24, times 7 is 28, and I'm just adding 4 each time. Times 8 is 32, and times 9 is 36. Okay, those are my count bys. Now I'm ready to start by dividing. What is 5 divided by 4? 5 divided by 4 has to be 1 because 2 would be too high. I have divided. The only time I write numbers on the top is when I'm dividing. Now my next step is to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. After I multiply, I need to subtract. Then I check, is 1 less than 4? Yes, it is, so I'm on the right track. Now I'm going to bring down my 7. I only bring down one number at a time. And then I'm ready to divide again. 17 divided by 4 times 5 would be too high. 17 divided by 4, the closest we can get would be times 4. So we've divided. Now we multiply. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Then we subtract. Then we check. Is 1 less than 4? Yes, it is. So we're on the right track. Then we bring down our 2. And we start all over again. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So we have divided. And we're going to multiply. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Then we subtract. And we check. 0 is less than 4, so we're doing great. There's nothing left to bring down, so we know we're finished. And there are no remainders. So our answer is 143, and here's how we check it. The inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to use multiplication. 143 times 4. Start with the ones. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1 because I'm not done. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Carry the 1 because I'm not done. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I look back at what I started with, and my answer is correct. If there were a remainder, I would add that to get my answer.